Now let's take a look at a powerful image search. Okay, this is one of my absolute favorite competitive intelligence tools, and it's completely free. And I think it's the coolest free tool on the entire internet. That's a big claim, but I really think it is. It's such an awesome tool. What am I talking about? I'm talking about Google Images at images.google.com. Now, this isn't just you typing in something and doing a web search and then clicking that Images tab and seeing all the photos that were named whatever you searched or on a page with that context. It's not what I'm talking about. If you go to Google Images, which is images.google.com, you'll see this. It's a search box just like Google, but it says images under it, and you'll notice a little camera icon and what looks like a little microphone icon inside the search field box. So what you do with this is you click that little camera icon and you can put in the URL of an image, or if you have an image on your desktop, you can upload it. So watch this. I'm going to take this image right here of some cookware, and I took this off an e-commerce site. I'm going to take this image that I put on my desktop, I'm going to upload it into that little search field when I click that camera, and it's going to do its magic and bring me some results. And here are what the results look like. It comes back and it says that it's a non-stick cookware set, and it shows me all these e-commerce sites that have it listed and are selling it. It's incredible. Kmart, Walmart, Overstock.com, all these different sites that are carrying this product and selling it. IndiaMart, Sears, House, just all these different sites. This is an incredibly powerful tool, right? Down that images.google.com. It's unbelievable what you can do with this thing. So you can find, again, I put in a product picture. I can find all the sites on the internet that are using that product. And by the way, this doesn't mean that it's the same company being marketed on all these different sites. It could just be a supplier image. And so that's one of the most valuable things is if you're looking to sell a certain type of product and you find a company, let's say, that's selling this set and making a lot of money, you can put this into Google Images and you could ferret out where they buy it from. So oftentimes you'll be led to like Alibaba or other Chinese supplier sites that have this picture, and that's where they got this professional product picture from to use in their marketing. It's from the supplier themselves. So it's unbelievable. Now, let's do another example. Watch this. So let's say I find this logo, this TechSmart Kids logo, and I think it's really cool how they made the little T all techie. It looks like it's like an electronic circuit board. And I'm thinking, wow, I would love to find the graphic designer that made this logo to make me a logo. So we put this image into the Google Images search engine. I have this on my desktop. I click that camera icon, I upload the image, it does its magic, bam, here's what it brings back. Pages that include matching images. It found a couple of Pinterest boards, and it found whatever this techkid.com site is, and it actually listed a whole bunch of other pages that it found with that image on it. But I'm highlighting this because look in the middle. Tech software company logo by Jacob Cass. So it's saying who designed the logo. You actually, if you click that, which I did, and you go to the Pinterest site, and then you click the link to go to this guy's site, what do you think we find? This is his portfolio. What do we see in the middle column down at the bottom? These are logos that he's designed. He designed that TechSmart Kids logo. We can now go directly to this designer and hire him to make us a logo. So it's incredibly powerful to be able to search for images like that and find all kinds of stuff. So what can we find? We can find designers that have created specific logos, product packaging, labels, website design, user interface design for software, and more. I just showed you how that worked. You put in the image itself, it shows you where it's displayed. You can often find the designer because they like to show off their work. You can find where someone's marketing their physical products. Just like I showed you the cookware product shot, you can see all the different sites that it's for sale on. So if somebody had their own unique product or even just a product that wasn't unique to them, you can see where it's being marketed, all the different places on the internet where they're using the photo to promote and sell the product. Whoops. So we can also find affiliate partners. If you use those product searches, oftentimes affiliate partners are the ones using them. So whether it's a kind of a shot of an info product or a software cover or a physical product, even like that cookware or anything else, we can find all the affiliate partners on the internet using that photo that are then promoting that product. So if we do our research, and let's say we look into a competitor, we find that, we figure out that we think they're making a bunch of money. We find that they have an affiliate program. We join the affiliate program. We see the tools that they provide us to promote the affiliate program. We see banner ads and images. By the way, we could take a banner ad that any affiliate program gives us, throw it into this Google Images search engine, and find all the affiliate sites or a bunch of sites that are indexed that are showing that advertisement on their site. Like, how incredible is that to be able to find partners? So many affiliate partners will take these banner ads they're given or just the product shots, like the cookware shot, and they'll make reviews and they'll do other things to promote it. But they'll be using the image so that Google Images search engine can find that. And then last but not least, one of the best uses I already mentioned are product suppliers. Oftentimes, if you put in one of the product shots, you'll find like the Alibabas, you'll find all these other kind of Chinese suppliers, and you can actually find exactly where that company got the product from. So let's say you're doing research on a company. You figure out they're making a bunch of money selling some folding pocket knife or something else. And you're like, wow, that's really cool. They seem to be selling a ton and making a lot of money from it. I wonder who their supplier is. Well, if you take their product images and you do a little bit of research with Google Images and you go through several pages, you're very likely to find the supplier who sells it, because they obviously either use the same photo sometimes as they get from the supplier, or even if they took their own photo, Google Images, this is incredible, is smart enough that their algorithm will find similar photos. It's unbelievable. It's the coolest free tool ever. And so you can often find that knife promoted in a photo by the supplier, even if the marketer that's selling it took their own photos. So it's a really incredible tool at images.google.com. Highly recommend you play around with it. And of course, do the exercise I set out for you so you can really get used to using it. And I can't stress it enough. It's probably the coolest tool online.